ting. Nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Sweeter than a churro. She call me Papi Chulo. Yeah, I'm single, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little tutorial on how to achieve this bubbled ponytail. So if you want to know how I achieved it, definitely stay tuned. But of course, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and keep watching our other videos after you watch this one. But yeah, let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, we're gonna get started on this hairstyle, but since I already kind of showed you guys how I slick back my hair and put it into a sleek ponytail, I'm just going to fast forward this part so that it's easier. And yeah, just, you know, you guys can just watch me, and I'll definitely link the previous video where I did a long braided ponytail so you guys can see just how I slick back my hair. Oh, and I'm also going to go into the things that you need for this hairstyle. So of course you need some gel. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam Conditioning Extra Hold Gel, and this is really strong, so that's why I'm using this. And since I ran out of edge control, of course you need a spray bottle, I guess, just a little bit, not that much. You definitely need a hard soft bristle brush. You need any kind of, I'm using a Tangle teaser just because it's easier to like smooth, to help smooth. You definitely need some rubber bands, and of course you need some braiding hair, whichever braiding hair you want to choose. And of course I'm going to be using some accessories, so I'm going to show you guys how I use this later, but any accessory that you want if you want to accessorize this hairstyle. Okay, so now that I'm done slicking my bun, I'm going to go ahead and braid this. So I'm just going to do just a normal braid because we need to tuck this in. And don't worry about the little, like, if you see my elastic band, we're gonna basically cover that up, so don't worry about that too much. Okay, so now that I'm done braiding, I'm just going to go, oh damn, this is so stiff. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in a mini bun. Do it as best as you can, guys. Obviously, it can be hard sometimes, but yeah, I'm just going to put it in a mini bun like this. I'm gonna take another smaller elastic band and tie that up. It's gonna look something like this. Hopefully that's fine. Yeah, we can work with that. So now I'm gonna take my braiding hair. If you guys watch my long braided ponytail, you know that this hair is really thin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 2 packs just so it's thick and it covers up like my entire bun, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and combine those 2 packs. Okay, so I just combined 2 packs of hair and it's already thicker, so that's good. So what I'm going to do, I kind of put back the elastic band and I'm just going to tie that around my bun as tight as possible. And this part I want it to be in the front, so I'm gonna tie it like that. Okay, then I'm gonna flip it and then I'm going to take a bobby pin. And I know you can see my rubber band, guys, but that's fine. We're gonna cover that up. You're gonna see how. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin and kind of pin that part down, or attempt to pin it down as best as you can. So now what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a bit of that hair and kind of leave it out, because that's what we're gonna use to disguise the fact that, like, you know, you can see that. Okay, so when that hair is out, I think that's fine. So once that hair is out, we're gonna start forming the bubbles around this little bun you have. Okay, and like I said, the fact that you can see that rubber band, it doesn't matter because we're basically going to disguise it later. So this is when the black rubber bands come in, and these are super small, guys. They're like super small. I don't even know if you can see them, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so make sure, well, even if it's not completely around, you can always fix it later, but try your best. And then take that rubber band and slide the hair through. Okay, I'm gonna try a second attempt. It actually fits. Okay, so this is how the first one looks, and I'm just going to keep doing that all around, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take my second bobby pin and just pin it, like hold this in the middle and pin that downwards. Hopefully that makes sense. Like just like so. So it doesn't like open up too much. Okay, and now I'm gonna work on the rest of the hair of the bubbles, and I just broke a rubber band. Kind of hard because the hair is so thick, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the second one. And you can just pull them a little bit to like make them as bubbles so you can see what it looks like. This is like giving me Princess Jasmine vibes. I don't know. Okay, so I'm done with the bubble and this is what it looks like all the way down. So next I'm going to go back and work on that top a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna use that hair that we left out to just kind of go around, and I'm gonna go up as I go around just so I can cover up that rubber band. But if you want to make things easier, guys, you can use a black rubber band. My black rubber bands were really small, so I didn't want to do that. So just to secure that like little piece, I'm gonna take another bobby pin just to make sure, you know, there's no slip-ups, and just take a little bit of that piece of hair and cover up that rubber band like this. And then I'm gonna go place the bobby pin somewhere it can sink in easily. Kind of like that, just so that, you know, it doesn't, you can't see too much of the rubber band. But like I said, if you want to make your life easier, just use a black rubber band. I just used the rubber band that came on the thing because I didn't have like any big black rubber band that would like cover my entire hair. So now it's time to customize the hair, and I'm going to customize where I put the rubber band just to like give it a little bit of pop, you know. So I'm gonna use this wire that you guys saw and I'm gonna cut it. I've never used this before, guys, so bear with me. Okay, so this is how it comes. I got this on Amazon. Okay, so I cut this much. Hopefully it's enough. And how I saw that you can use it, you just kind of go like this. And then I'm gonna show you on this one since it's like the easier one. So I doubled it and I'm gonna go like this around, go through, and then go through a second time. And then the second time, oh, yeah, I went through. And then the second time you actually go through, that's when you separate them. And you start doing like knots basically. Like so. So now I'm gonna tie a knot in the back. I'm gonna come and tie a knot in the front too, just so that it's secure. Okay, so the last knot, I'm gonna do a double knot if I can, like, it seems to like slide through my hands because I'm trying to not get the hair. I think next time, the next one I cut, I'm gonna cut it a little longer so it's easier. So my camera cut off, but basically, see, I got a longer one. I did a few off camera while my camera was charging. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it again, just so you guys can see like how it's done. But definitely I would say like cut a longer piece. The first one that I did, I struggled because the piece wasn't long enough, but the other ones, like, they were pretty easy actually. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna try my best to show you guys. Okay, so this is where I do the double knot. And then also the more you have like string, the more it's easy to like disguise your rubber band. So that's why I would say get a lot more. So now I have my double knot and I'm just gonna cut that. It's that simple. And this is how it looks. And it kind of disguises the rubber band. So there is kind of a bit of hair sticking out from my bubble at the end. I don't know if you guys can see it, like right there, but that's just because the hair is like shorter kind of, if you know what I mean. But that doesn't really bother me, honestly. And when you're cutting, try cutting as close as possible to like, obviously not the knot, but like, you know, so that there's not that much string coming off. Okay, so this is how it looks with all of them. I like how it looks. I like the final results. I feel like I want this one to be a little more pretty. Yeah, like that. So yeah, you can kind of play with it, make it, and at the end you can, like, if you want to make like a little, you know, you can have that gold thing going all the way down, but I just want it like this, just kind of, it's my hair, and you can cut it a little bit. I already cut some off, but I like the kind of distressed look. So guys, this is the final look. This is what my bubble ponytail looks like. It's giving me Princess Jasmine vibes or whatever. So yeah, I think that the little gold accessories kind of just made it, and it's actually pretty long. It goes up to my like basically like mid stomach area. I want to say it's not really all the way down to my belly button yet, but it's almost there. So it's actually pretty long, and I did wear this all day. It's kind of getting a little fussy, but not that much actually. Like it's a little frizzy, of course, because like it kept getting stuck to my earrings. Like, oh my god, it was so annoying. But yeah, other than that, it's okay, and I think it's really a nice look, especially for the holidays. So I'm definitely going to do this look again. I am for sure, like I feel like I'm going to be wearing this more than once. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, definitely give it a like, because it helps me know that you guys like this video, and of course it helps me out as well. So definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any other hairstyle that you would like to see and you would like me to try out or show you guys how to achieve, definitely comment them down below. Don't be scared, and comment down below any other video you would like to see from us, because I definitely like to, you know, try and bring to you guys things that you guys would like to see, as well as other ideas that I have in mind. So definitely comment them down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video with anyone you think it might help. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling because I'm talking a little too much right now. But definitely join the family, and thank you so much for watching and always supporting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
So maybe Christmas would be, but get again just start to your Christmas tree. I New Year's Eve, and then I count down me, I count pound, and the countdown, but that's between a town and myself.